Well, we are off to the races for October. Kev G weather overview. We had some delightful weather today with temperatures getting up into the mid 70s. And more above normal temperatures are going to basically be with us for the next 7 to 10 days. Right now it's in the upper 60s under mostly clear skies. We had some crazy fog this morning across the area that broke out, and I think that could happen tomorrow as we get some low-level moisture trapped before the sun starts to break through in the afternoon on Saturday. So our only real weather trouble is tomorrow. If we take a look at the Canadian model, we're going to have periods of showers move in basically between 4 and 8 o'clock through the entire region. Here's what the weather map probably looks like around 4 o'clock, and then as we move further into the evening, this is really not going to amount to much. This is not going to be a long event. I think, in any one place it'll be 1 to 2 hours, and then the showers will move through. We're going to get less than 1/4 of an inch of rain, which is really not a whole heck of a lot considering that we are firmly entrenched in this drought condition across the area. So that's really a big weather trouble spot. And Weather Underground shows that over the next 7 days we have above normal temperatures. Once we get past tomorrow, no real rain chances through the foreseeable future and above normal conditions. So quite a nice stretch, 7 to 10 days coming up across the region when you consider our normal should be probably in the lower 60s. Now I do want to touch on dangerous Hurricane Matthew. Right now it is situated off the southeast United States. It is located at 30.2 north and 80.7 west. That's approximately 40 miles east of Jacksonville Beach, Florida, and 135 miles south of Savannah, Georgia. It is moving north at 12 miles an hour, and it has maximum sustained winds at 5 p.m. at 110 miles an hour. So this is a strong storm, a Category 2. It's definitely weakened somewhat, but it is going to be making a very significant impact to this coastal city of Charleston, South Carolina over the next 12 to 18 hours. They are really in the brunt, the crosshairs, if you will, of the hurricane. The hurricane has not made landfall yet. It's skirted the Florida coast. It never really, the whole eye wall, the strongest part of the hurricane, did not touch land, but that is not going to be the case for very long. This is off of AccuWeather.com, and this is the extreme impact we're going to see across Charleston, South Carolina, and extreme northern Georgia. And for your wind impact, we could see gusts in downtown Charleston, South Carolina tomorrow morning of around 100 miles an hour, and a lot of those winds could be sustained at 80 plus miles an hour for a good few hours. So 6 to 10 feet of storm surge expected in Charleston, South Carolina tomorrow. And here's a close-up of the hurricane. This is definitely a dangerous storm for the southeast. It will not be affecting the tri-state area, but all eyes on the weather world are drawn to Hurricane Matthew as it approaches the Carolina coast and bypasses Florida with these strong damaging winds and torrential rains of 8 to 12 inches and pretty severe coastal flooding in a lot of spots.